Hey guys, so I am inside my house. I forgot my camera. So as you can see, a leak has protruded there. And this has not held up. As you can see, it hasn't. It's the board has withered. So that leak is strong. Might have to, look at this. Might have to find something and tack something down on the floor. Watch out. Tack something down on the floor to keep it. Is it wet? No. It's not wet. So I know I'm replacing all the panels in here. Got bigger.
What happened to that one?
This is where they tried to seal that up themselves, but you see it's about to fall through.
This low bearing, we're gonna blow this wall out right here.
And it's mold, so I have to get rid of it. Yeah. You say it's cold? It's a little chilly. So, yeah, this, whatever this is done, don't step in here because that's weak. The floor is weak. So I'm gonna get that fixed. So I know I need to replace that. Probably about to measure these countertops. The power was never on, honey.
You were trying to turn it on?
So I'm definitely gonna replace this big board right here because of the mold. I'm gonna take that out. So I'm probably about like 68 panels of drywall and replace what needs to be replaced in here because I got allergies because I can see where mold is residing in the cracks. That's all mold. But it's mold right there in that corner. Yeah. It's okay because this is good that this part is good. That means this side of the house is good. But from that corner to the other back corner has two. We're going to turn it into a new house.
I said, how about we did a new house?
So that's that. I'm about to measure these real quick going through here. And y'all, so in this part of the house, bad because that's holes right there. So that's that. I'll be back, y'all. So y'all, I am back on my camera. I'm about to measure this. So I'm about to measure this. Probably about to sit y'all in the window.
Hey guys.
Okay. I need that side to get measurements.
So
There's holes in here.
is this supposed to things we need to be fixed?
Yeah.
Okay. A hole. We didn't fix this in our time.
Yeah, I like the height they had, but they're not bad. What? Don't, here, take it off. Take out the other. Don't move it around. They're not bad. I ain't gonna put my Caesars on there, nigga. But I would have like something open.
Oh.
Something right here.
Yeah. When the stove was ready.
Yeah, right there. And I might take all of this out so the refrigerator can go straight up.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it looks like I'm gonna be spending most of my money in the dang drywall. Cause I have, oh y'all, sorry, I gotta put this pin in. I'm about to put this glove back on so I'll be able to put it on and whatnot, put the glove on. So yeah, I had to put my glove back on 'cause I'm cold and I gotta hold the camera. So y'all, here as you can see, I will need one light. So let me do a tour. Y'all ready for the rest of the tour? All right. That's what it looks like before. I'm trying to get a very good video because I'm gonna replace that no garden tub for me. Because I don't know why I thought so let's go from the ceiling. Okay, but I'm gonna leave that there because that's like a little shield right now. So it's doing what it needs to do, not doing too much. In the closet in here, I got one light. I'm not gonna open it because I'm trying to take this out to put that in, and I gotta measure this to get a new one and all that other stuff. So yeah. And this is the room, which is this panel is in my room, which I don't understand why it's not on the other side of the door, but it's not. What's up? What's wrong? And this is the room. As y'all can, be careful with what you're doing. As y'all can see, it has gotten a little worse, but not as bad as I thought it would be.
Is that water?
And this right here, it still looks the same, but it looks like it's gotten a little bit bigger, but that's okay.
Why is that bigger?
Cause water. And so y'all coming out. Here I am, taking a little break. 22?
22, 23.
So I'm gonna go get sockets today. Like, get no sockets because they don't sell.
Yeah.
Cause that's like a regular 15, right?
Yeah.
Think I got everything that I'm gonna measure. You think so? Oh, you don't see on the floor and say what size these doors are?
Huh?
What?
This.
I was trying to read it
What?
to see, like, you know how they have it on the board with the